Good day, viewers. I remain my humble self again, Otemu Ogenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success, irrespective of the class and the country you are viewing me from. I bet you, if you can watch my video, you will excel academically in mathematics. So now, I'm talking about exponential equation. Now, equation with exponent. Say solve the equation 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 minus 33 raised to a bracket 2 raised to the power x plus 16 is equal to 0. This side, I want to express it as a law of indices, multiplicative law of indices. 2 raised to the power 2x is times 2 raised to the power 1. I'm breaking it down. Now minus 33 2 raised to the power x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now I want to express this again as a product law of indices, which is 2 raised to the power x bracket raised to the power 2 times 2 minus 33 bracket 2 raised to the power x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now let's say let 2 raised to the power x be equal to y. I can use y, but don't use o. O look like 0. Don't use I look, don't dot it, it look like 1. So use any other alphabet. You can use w, you can use z, you can use v, anything you can use. Now that's okay. If I now say 2 raised to the power s is y, I will put here y. I will put here y. So here means y raised to the power 2 times 2 minus 33y, because here is y, plus 16 is equal to 0. So let me multiply. 2 times y squared give us 2y squared minus 33y plus 16 is equal to what? 0. Okay, let's now solve quadratically. I want to use the last term to multiply the first term. I want the last term there is plus 16. I want the first term there is 2y squared. So what is 16 times 2y squared? Give us 32 y raised to the power of 2. 2 numbers you multiply that give you 32. When you add the 2 numbers to give you minus 33. So it's minus 32y and minus y. Call it minus 1y. We don't call it 1. All right. Now, minus 30, you cannot get these two numbers. What I'm trying to get is the center number. Minus 32 times y times minus y give us plus 32y. Then, if you are owing me 32 naira, you are owing me 1 naira, you are owing me 33 naira, which is minus 33y. So look at it now. I have succeeded in getting the center. You can, because here is 2 and here you cannot get the first and the last any longer. Now, in place of minus 33y, I will put minus 32y and minus y. So simply put, now write 2y squared minus 32y minus y will not come here plus 16 is equal to 0. Plus 16 is equal to 0. So we can now factorize by grouping. I'll put this minus so that when I move it, this sign will change. Now, what is common here is 2y. If I bring 2y out of here, here is y. If I use 2y to divide this, here give us minus 16. What is common here is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 divided by minus y give us y. Minus 1 divided by plus 16 give us minus 16 is equals to what? 0. So let's pick what is outside the bracket. Outside the bracket simply means 2y minus 1 and y again minus 16 is equal to 0. So we are going to equate the two brackets to 0 now. So here will give us 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y minus 16 is equal to 0. So 2y, when this minus 1 come here, become plus 1. Or y, this one become 16. How become 16? Now, y now will be 1 over 2. What do I do? I divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. Or y is equal to 16. But take note, that's not the end of the question. I want to substitute into this equation. I can call this one equation 1, not equation 2, equation 3. Now, okay, let me call it equation star. Now, I'm not saying when y is equal to 1 over 2. So let us substitute it in where I see y. So therefore, 2 raised to power x is equal to y. And what is y here is 1 over 2. So 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 2. And 1 over 2 is a negative indices. So it's a positive indices. It's a positive indices. Let me change to negative indices. Give us 2 raised power x is equal to 2 raised power minus 1. 2 raised power minus 1. So this power is basically the same. So x is equal to minus 1. So when x again, this time is 16. So that's right, 2 raised to power x is equal to 16. How many times can I multiply 2 that will give me 16? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So 4 times. So now, 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So this will cancel this. X is equal to 4. So the required solution is x is equal to minus 1 or 4. X is equal to minus 1 or 4. So that is the answer to that problem. God bless you.